Hi guys, hope you guys are good today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you boiled yam and vegetable sauce. In my pot I have yam already prepared for cooking, added water and a little bit of salt, and I'm going to boil that till it's cooked. And as that is busy, I'm going to be frying my veggies, and I'm using coconut oil for this. I'm not going to bleach the oil, I just heat it up. Added my onions, ginger and garlic, and I'm going to fry this for a couple of seconds. Added my pepper, and I used habanero pepper for this, and tomatoes. Now I'm adding my fresh prawns, shrimps powder, little bit of curry powder, grilled fish. This fish I grilled myself. I have it on video. Now I added bell peppers, very colorful dish and yummy. One star cube, little bit of water to cook it through. So I'm going to let this cook together for 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add my spinach to it. Then let it cook together for 3 minutes. Then my food is ready. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. So yummy. Bye.